There are 15 things on Amazon right now that most people don't even know exist, and the last one has genuinely saved me on the side of the road. We're going through 15 Amazon must-haves that are cheap, useful, and honestly kind of genius. I'll leave the links to everything in the description below, so check that out if you want to grab any of these. If this is your kind of content, go ahead and subscribe now.
1. Compression packing cubes. Have you ever sat on a suitcase just trying to get it to zip? These packing cubes squeeze your clothes down so you fit way more in the same bag. You just fold your clothes in, zip the cube, and it compresses everything flat. A set usually runs under $25. It's the kind of find that makes you go, wait, that actually exists? Because it basically gives you a bigger suitcase without buying a bigger suitcase, and it's an easy buy since it works with any bag you already own. 2. Reusable silicone stretch lids. Can you imagine never reaching for plastic wrap again? These silicone lids stretch over bowls, cups, and even cut fruit, sealing everything airtight without a single sheet of plastic. A set is usually under $15. They're trending because they're reusable, dishwasher safe, and they fit almost anything round in your kitchen. A genuinely easy impulse buy at that price. 3. LED motion sensor cabinet lights. Ever wondered how people get that glowing, featured on a home show look under their cabinets? These little LED strips stick on with adhesive and turn on automatically the second you open the door or walk by. Usually under $20 for a multi-pack, they're an easy upgrade because there's no wiring involved at all. Just peel, stick, and you're done. By the way, if you're liking this so far, tap subscribe. I've got a lot more of these coming. 4. Adhesive cable organizer clips. Do you love it when your desk stops looking like a plate of spaghetti? These tiny clips stick to any surface and hold your cables in place so they no longer slide off your desk every time you move. A pack is usually under $10. It's trending because it's such a small fix for such an annoying problem, and at this price, it's basically a no-brainer add to any cart. 5. Collapsible silicone travel mug. Have you ever seen a mug fold down flat when it's empty? This silicone travel mug collapses to about an inch thick when you're not using it, then pops back up to full size for your coffee. Usually under $20, it's trending with anyone who hates carrying a bulky mug in their bag, an easy buy because it saves space without giving up your morning coffee routine. I'll drop links to all of these below, so take a look if any catch your eye. 6. Adjustable laptop stand. Can you imagine your neck not hurting after a full day on your laptop? This stand lifts your screen to eye level and folds flat for travel. It's usually under $30. What makes it trend is how instantly it fixes posture without buying a whole new desk setup. A genuinely easy upgrade for anyone working from a laptop most of the day. 7. Desktop cord management box. Ever wondered where all your power strips and extra cord length could actually go? This box hides your power strip and cable clutter completely, keeping your desk looking clean. Usually under $20, it's an easy impulse buy because it solves a problem almost everyone has, but nobody actually thinks to shop for until they see it. 8. Clip-on mini handheld fan. Do you love a tiny gadget that solves a big problem in the moment? This little fan clips onto a stroller, desk, or gym bag and runs for hours on a rechargeable battery. Usually under $15, it's trending hard every summer because it's small, cheap, and genuinely useful anywhere you don't have easy access to AC. We're over halfway there, so if you want more finds like this, go ahead and subscribe. 9. Wireless earbud cleaning kit. Have you ever actually looked inside your earbud case? This little kit has a brush, a pick, and a soft pad specifically for cleaning wax and dust out of earbuds and charging ports. Usually under $10, it's the kind of find that makes you go, wait, that actually exists? And once you use it, you'll wonder how you went this long without one. 10. Smart plug with app control. Can you imagine turning off a lamp from your couch or even from another state? This smart plug lets you control any regular outlet from an app or your voice assistant, and you can even set schedules. It's usually under $15 each. It's trending because it makes any dumb appliance feel smart, and at this price, most people end up buying a few at once. 11. Self-stirring travel mug. Ever wondered how people drink protein shakes or stirred coffee without carrying a spoon around? This mug has a tiny built-in stirrer that mixes your drink at the push of a button. Usually under $25, it's an easy impulse buy because it's genuinely satisfying to watch work and it solves a problem you didn't realize you had until you see it in action. I promised you the one that saved me on the road. That's coming up soon. 12. Portable USB blender bottle. Do you love the idea of a fresh smoothie without needing your kitchen? This little rechargeable blender screws onto its own bottle and blends fruit, ice, and protein powder in under a minute. Usually under $30, it's trending because it's genuinely portable. Gym bag, desk, car, anywhere. And it's an easy sell for anyone trying to eat a little healthier without extra effort. 13. Magnetic car phone mount. Have you ever fumbled trying to snap your phone into a mount while driving? This one uses strong magnets, so you just tap your phone against it and it locks in place instantly. Usually under $15, it's an easy upgrade because it's faster and more secure than the clip-style mounts most people are still using. 14. All-in-one charging cable. Can you imagine carrying one cable instead of 3? This cable has multiple connector tips built in, so it charges practically any phone or device you own or borrow. Usually under $15, it's trending because it declutters your bag instantly, and it's the kind of thing you buy once and then wonder why you didn't buy it sooner. And now, the one I promised you. 15. Portable tire inflator and air pump. Have you ever been stuck with a low tire miles from the nearest gas station? This compact pump plugs into your car or charges up on its own, and it can inflate a tire from flat to full in just a few minutes with a built-in gauge so you know exactly when to stop. It usually runs right around $30, right at the edge of what most people expect to pay for peace of mind. It's the one on this list people talk about the most because it's not just convenient, it's genuinely saved people from being stranded, myself included, and that's exactly why it earns the top spot here. So that's 15 Amazon must-haves, from tiny $5 fixes to that tire inflator that can genuinely bail you out of a bad day. None of these cost much, but together they quietly make everyday life a little easier. I've got every single link down in the description if you want to grab any of these for yourself. And if you like this roundup, subscribe. I've got a lot more finds like this coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.